Oh, another booger. Look, Loki boo. Loki was in the building all night. My goodness, no. Precious little booger. Look, I come out here. I'm glad William got in the building though. It's raining, he's just chilling. William's on his bike. I made Bullet, Loki. Loki is sitting on my head. He's trying to lay down. Go in there to John. Look, I made Bullet a little coat. Hey, beautiful girl. What are you doing? Where did William go? Where did William go? What are you looking at, Loki? Where you at? You're being crazy. My baby. That's William. What? Son, if you're going to be riding in the rain, you're putting on at least a coat. That's a hoodie. This is a coat.
Can you ride?
I'm not riding in the rain. What is it, beautiful? Let's go find the chickens. Hey, Loki, please. Hey, Gigi. Hey, Noodle. She's like, I don't know. They like the rain, though. Hey, Jessica. I miss you too. Hey, Loki Poo. I see you. Go in the house. Watch it, just lay down. She don't hurt it though. Oh, she will if I wasn't here. She'll play rough. Ain't that right? Yes. Bullet. You're so pretty. You get muddy though. I can see the mud because of the white. Oh my bird. What? Yes. I had the chickens over here eating. I was picking up rocks and they were eating when I would pick them up. And I was videoing it and now I went live on Facebook and they quit.
What?
But Loki come out of the building, so I'm going to go see him and get him in the house. I'll try this again. I'll try to upload the video that I was doing earlier.